Hi boys and girls. Okay, today we're going to be creating our chameleons. So we painted our paper and we're all ready. Depending on which one you painted, that's the chameleon you're going to make. If you painted the red paper, you're going to want to get the tracer for the top of your mushroom, the tracer for your chameleon, and one of the foot tracers. And the reason I'm putting these on here like this is because when you're done cutting those out, you should have this section of paper left. You're going to fold it in half 2 times and trace this on there, and when you cut it out you'll have 4 feet that are exactly the same that you can attach to your chameleon. Okay, so that's why we need that space right there. Okay, and then if you are doing the green, you will need the leaf tracer and your chameleon. You kind of got it. This one's a little tricky to fit. I think it fits actually better if you turn them like this and maybe turn this way. But anyway, you need to have this much space so that you can cut out 4 little feet, okay? And the trick to cutting the 4 feet is to fold your paper in half 2 times, okay? So I'm going to do this for you, and then you will see how it is done. We're going to put it in fast forward so you can watch it, but we're not going to draw on the painted side, okay? I just was showing you the painted side so that you could see which one each would do. So I'm going to take these off. I'm going to flip it over because we want to do it on the back side. Now we're going to trace these on here, and I'm going to save. Remember, I'm saving this one for later because I want to fold this paper before I trace it on here. Okay, so here I go. Okay, boys and girls, once you have your chameleon glued onto the top of either your leaf or your mushroom, we're going to stop for today, and then next week we'll get his eyes and his mouth. We'll add those extra details, okay? All right. Make sure those get put on the drying rack when you're all done, and throw away all of your scraps, okay? Mrs. Walker does need these for the next class, so your tracers, you're going to bring all of those back up to Mrs. Walker, and we will put those in a nice neat pile so we can use them again. Okay? All right, tidy up.